Hello! I'm Caroline Cole. Welcome to the Business of Storytelling. Want to get paid to speak? 4 steps to starting your voiceover business. Today is the day for the video that I promised last week. The one where I give you actual step-by-step build your voiceover business advice. Let's hop right into the practical stuff today. Recording space. The first thing you need is a recording space. Basically all you need is a closet and convert that closet. Order the gear you need, set up the technical bits, and get recording. You need a studio, numero uno. We get specific on the deets on this in the summer intensive. Second, you need a demo. Next, you need a demo, and you don't have to be precious with it. Listen, you don't need to spend $1,000 on a professionally produced demo. This is a lie. You can get started with something that you edit. In fact, it probably should be something that you edit because it should represent the kind of quality of audio that you can deliver from your studio. But I have gone off on a tangent. You need a sample of something that demonstrates what your voice sounds like, shows your range, shows your abilities. You should be able to produce it yourself with the equipment you've got. Because like I said, the demo's got to reflect the quality of the work that you will deliver. Third, you need a website or an online profile. You don't need both when you start, but you do need an online presence. That can either be a simple website that showcases your demo or an online profile on a voiceover or freelancer site like Fiverr, Kovoco, Voquent, or Upwork, to name a few. While eventually you'll have profiles all across the web, you don't need a bunch to start. Just start with one. Just start somewhere. You need an online presence. Recording space, demo, online presence. Fourth, the final thing you need is motivation, y'all. Because it's the most important step of not getting stuck in the minutia of all the annoying things you have to do to start a voiceover business. You need the motivation to get past the boring stuff into the awesome storytelling stuff. You need to truly believe that there is work for you out there. Once a year in the summer, I host a voiceover intensive called Start Speaking Springboard. In just 10 weeks, you'll complete all of those 4 steps. Plus, beyond that, you'll submit your first auditions, you'll enter into the voiceover world with confidence, with the skills you need, and your best foot forward, y'all. Speaking of the summer program, applications are open now. No. They're open now until midnight on Monday, June 5th. We start on that Tuesday morning. This is the only voiceover program that I can find anywhere that trains the artist, the business person, and the creative individual in just 10 weeks. It takes you from voiceover curious to submitting auditions like a pro. So for real, y'all, if you're ready to finally do the thing, this summer we'll kick that into high gear. Learn more, links below. We're running out of time. Thanks for tuning in, y'all. It was good to see you this week at the Business of Storytelling. I'm Caroline Cole, as you know, and I put out new videos every week. Be sure to check out the channel, subscribe so you don't miss anything. Follow me on Instagram. I love hearing from you guys throughout the week at Caroline Cole Stories. And please like, comment, and subscribe so we don't lose touch with each other. Thanks, y'all. See you next week.